Hello students, welcome to the computer class. Let's start with the computer class. Today we will learn lesson number 6, Fun with MS Paint. In previous lesson we will learn about parts of a notepad window and how to format and edit text using this editor. Hi Clico. I learned the different font styles in Notepad. Now I know how to use Notepad very well. It's time to learn more tools for drawing. Let's learn more about the MS Paint tools. Yes, Guinea, let's learn more paint options and draw a wonderful picture. A computer is used for doing math, solving difficult sums, keeping records, and many other things. It is also a great tool for having fun. One of the ways to have fun on a computer is by using it to paint. Paint is a software. It has many tools. Painting on a computer. When you want to paint on paper, you need colors, brushes, water, and a platter for mixing the colors. You also have to clean up after you are done. On a computer, all you need is your imagination. A program called MS Paint is used for drawing and painting on the computer. Students, you generally make drawings in your drawing book using pencils and colors. To make a drawing on a computer, you need a mouse. You can make drawings on a computer with the help of mouse in a program called Paint. You can draw shapes, greeting cards, landscape, etc. using Paint. We know the edit and format options in the Notepad program. We are also familiar with the simple shapes and tools in MS Paint. Do you know that MS Paint has many more shapes and tools? Let's learn more about them. Paint is a simple graphic painting program. It has been included with all versions of Microsoft Windows. It is often referred to as MS Paint or Microsoft Paint. In this lesson, we will learn the parts of the MS Paint screen, more tools and shapes present in MS Paint, and typing text in the drawing area. Getting around the Paint window. To start a new window, go to click on Start button, click on All Programs, click Accessories and click on Paint. Alternatively, click on the Start button and in the search bar type in Paint, then select the Paint icon. Parts of the MS Paint screen. The following image shows the different parts of the Paint window. Title bar. The blue bar at the top of the screen is known as the title bar. It shows the title of the page. Menu bar. The menu bar is under the title bar in the window. It has 3 items on the left. These are the Paint button, the Home tab and the View tab. Ribbon. All the tools, the color palette and most commands are grouped together in the ribbon. Each tab displays a ribbon which is a strip containing the sets of tools placed in various groups. For example, Home tab shows groups like shapes, tools, and colors, etc. Canvas. It is also called the drawing area. It is the white canvas where you make your drawings and color them. Do you know your pictures can also be called graphics, drawings, or images? They all mean the same thing. Now we will learn hard words of this lesson. Canvas. Canvas. The drawing area where we draw. Microsoft. Microsoft. Microsoft Corporation is one of the largest companies in the computer industry. Program. Program. A computer program is a collection of instructions that performs a specific task. Ribbon. Ribbon. It is a part of the paint window. It contains the tools that are used to draw with. Hope you all are enjoying this video. Thank you.